Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. Let's talk about something important for all of us. That's battery time, because that equals play time. Let's talk about how we can extend the battery time of our MetaQuest 3 or 3S headsets. When I first got the MetaQuest 3, not going to lie, I was a little disappointed with the battery time because it didn't last as long as the Quest 2 did. And, being an upgrade, I expected it to last longer. I understand why it didn't, but I still was disappointed. So my number one tip for adding battery time is turning down that brightness level. Go into your quick settings, drag that little cursor over, turn down your brightness. Even just turning it down a little bit is going to extend your battery time for sure. Second tip, go into your settings and you can turn on battery power saving mode. It is a little bit deep into the settings there. I'll show you here how to find it. Once you turn that on, the graphics might go down a little bit. The frame rates might go down a little bit. But it is going to add more time for you for sure when you are playing. With the new update, my third tip, you can have multiple windows, multiple apps open at the same time, because you can have one app open and be having a chat or doing other things, having the browser open. Close those extra things off so you don't have extra apps open that are unneeded. If you have the browser open and you're using the browser, close all your extra tabs. Don't have extra tabs open, because all those things are going to take extra power away from the game time that you have. Fourth tip, you can actually go in and make the wake time, or when you set it down, the turning off within 15 seconds. It can range up to minutes as well after you set your headset down. Turn it to 15 seconds so it'll go to sleep, so that will save you power. Another option on there is it will power on or wake up as soon as you put it on. Maybe you're not ready to go quite yet. If you turn that one off, you can put it on, get it situated, then you can press the power button on the side to wake it up. That might save you just a little bit of time, but it all counts when we are doing this. And when you are playing a game, if it doesn't require Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you can also turn both of those off, because by having those off, it's not going to be connected to them. Connection takes power, or for Bluetooth, it's not searching for new things to connect to. So by having those off, you will also save some power. So those are my 5 main tips. One big tip that is outside of the Quest 3 is getting a battery head strap or using a power bank. Now, there are a ton of great battery head straps out there. I've reviewed a ton of them, and you can check out all my reviews of those. Those are going to increase your game time by at least 2 hours for most of them. A lot of them will be more than that as well. I would recommend companies like Bobo VR, Kiwi Design, Globular Cluster. Those are some of the top ones. Stay away from the Meta official stuff. They're way overpriced for what they are. You can get a lot more from third-party ones. There's also just some that come as power banks that can attach to head straps. Kiwi Design, the P5000 that they've released, attached to your current head strap, and they do a great job at giving you extra power as well. Having a charging dock or a place where you charge your headset once you are finished with it will give you the most battery time, because that's going to allow you to always be fully charged when you are ready to go. You can also play with a cable, a link cable attached to it, basically keeping you charged at all times. That is a little bit of a nuisance though, as that is going to have that cable running from your headset either to a computer or to a power source in the wall. But that is an option if you want almost endless game time as well. So those are my tips. If you have any other tips of how you can save power, extend that battery time on your Quest 3 or 3S, please let us know in the comments below so we can all benefit from it. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on True North VR.